Have you ever dreamed of owning your own dental clinic? If so, the first step is choosing the perfect location. This decision is crucial, as it can significantly impact your clinic's visibility and accessibility. Consider areas with high foot traffic, as these locations can provide a steady flow of potential patients. Now let's talk demographics. Is your target audience primarily families, or are you focusing on cosmetic dentistry for adults? Each demographic will have its unique needs and preferred locations. And don't forget about your competitors. While healthy competition can be beneficial, you don't want to set up shop right next door to another dental clinic. Also, consider your future growth. Is there room for expansion at this location? Are there zoning laws that might limit your clinic's growth? Choosing the right location can set the stage for your clinic's success, so take your time and choose wisely. With the ideal location in mind, it's time to craft a solid business plan. A robust business plan is the backbone of every thriving dental clinic. It's more than just a document, it's a roadmap that guides every decision you make, from the services you offer to the equipment you purchase. But what makes a business plan effective? Firstly, a market analysis. This is your chance to delve into the demographics of your potential patients, the competition in your area, and the unique selling points that can set your clinic apart. You're not just opening a dental clinic, you're filling a gap in the market. Secondly, financial projections. These are your best estimates of future revenues, costs, and profits. It's important to be realistic, yet ambitious, showing potential investors that your business is a worthwhile venture. Remember, a plan without numbers is just a dream. Lastly, your operational roadmap. This outlines the daily operations of your clinic, from opening hours to staffing schedules. It also includes your plans for marketing and growth. This roadmap gives a clear picture of how your business will run day to day and how it will expand in the future. By integrating these elements, you're creating a comprehensive business plan that not only attracts investors, but also guides your clinic towards sustained success. It's a living document, one that evolves with your business and helps navigate the path ahead. A comprehensive business plan serves as your playbook for sustained success. Now, let's talk about designing your dream clinic. The design of your clinic isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. You need to consider zoning laws that apply to your area, and how they affect your clinic's layout. It's crucial to ensure that your clinic is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, providing an environment that is comfortable and welcoming for your patients. Interior aesthetics play a significant role in setting the tone for your clinic. From the color palette, to the lighting and the furniture, every detail contributes to your brand image. This is your opportunity to create an environment that reflects your practice's ethos and values. Let's not forget about sustainable practices. In this modern age, integrating sustainable design elements into your clinic can not only help in conserving resources, but also resonate with environmentally conscious patients. Remember, your clinic's design is a reflection of your brand. In today's digital age, investing in cutting-edge technology is crucial. Technology is the backbone of a modern dental clinic, from state-of-the-art diagnostic tools to seamless patient management software. These aren't just fancy gadgets, they're essential tools that streamline operations, enhance patient care, and ultimately, make your clinic more profitable. Let's talk about diagnostic tools first. The latest advancements like digital X-rays and 3D imaging provide unparalleled precision, allowing for early detection of oral health issues. And then there's patient management software. This helps you keep track of appointments, patient histories, billing, and more. It's like having a super efficient administrative assistant. But remember, investing in technology isn't just about buying the most expensive equipment. It's about making smart choices. It's about understanding your clinic's needs, researching your options, and choosing technology that not only fits your budget but also provides a solid return on investment. With the right technology, you can streamline operations and enhance patient care. Your team is the backbone of your clinic. Now let's talk about building that stellar team that will make your dental clinic shine. The first step is hiring the right people for the right roles. This doesn't just mean recruiting skilled professionals. It also means finding individuals who align with your clinic's values and mission. For your front desk staff, you might look for someone who is organized and personable. For your dental specialists, you might prioritize experience and a patient-focused approach. Next, let's dive into conducting interviews. It's not just about asking the right questions, but also about observing. Look for signs of enthusiasm, commitment, and professionalism. Lastly, fostering a company culture that encourages retention is crucial. Make your clinic a place where people want to work. This could mean providing opportunities for professional development, fostering a supportive work environment, or offering competitive benefits. Remember, a stellar team can significantly enhance the patient experience. Build your team wisely. You've got the location, the plan, the design, the technology, and the team. Now it's time to launch. Starting with a soft launch can be a smart move, allowing you to work out any kinks before the grand opening. This is your chance to create a memorable first impression, so make sure your launch event showcases the best your clinic has to offer. Quality service should be at the forefront of your operations. From the moment patients walk in, to their interaction with staff, to the care they receive, every aspect should reflect your commitment to excellence. Running a dental clinic is not without its challenges. As you expand and scale, you may encounter operational hurdles, but fear not. These are opportunities for growth and improvement. Invest time in problem solving and refining your processes. Remember, the journey doesn't end with the launch. It's only the beginning. So there you have it, a roadmap to building your dream dental clinic. From identifying the perfect location to developing a solid business plan, designing your clinic, investing in cutting-edge technology, creating a superb team, and finally, launching your dream. For a deeper dive into each step, check out our comprehensive blog post linked below. Remember, your dream dental clinic is within your reach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.